Hi students, good afternoon everyone. Hi, very good. Welcome back to our mathematics class. What class? Mathematics class. Did you remember what is the spelling of mathematics? I know you all are very good children, so you did remember always mathematics spelling. But shall we revise once? Okay. What is the spelling of mathematics? M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay, children. In previous class, what we learned in previous class? What we learned? We learned ascending order and descending order. Yes or no? One day total we learned ascending order and the other day descending order. So today we will be seeing about two concepts. Means today we will discuss about ascending order and descending order. Okay? Shall we start our class? Okay. Ola, show me your CNOs and pencil. Show me your CNOs and pencil. C notebook and pencil. What I am asking? Your CNOs and pencil. Okay, very good. See, today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending and descending. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. Ascending and descending order. Did you remember? Ascending order means, what is mean by ascending order? It means the numbers. We should arrange the numbers smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Did you remember, children? We should arrange the numbers small number to big number. Yes? And descending order. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Biggest number to smallest number. We should arrange the numbers biggest number to smallest number. Did you understand? Okay. Let us see some examples from ascending order. Okay, first. Write the numbers in ascending order. I am in ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. O-R-D-E-R. Ascending order. Look at me, all of. We should arrange the numbers in ascending order. Let us see one example. Are you clear the board? $79, 44, 56, 37, 29, 85. 85. First look at the board. Don't write anyone. Just simply look at the board. 85 and 90. And 90. See here. What are the numbers are there in here? 79, 44, 56, 37, 29, 85, 90. Okay, what is meant by ascending order? In ascending order, we should arrange the numbers smallest to biggest. Manavna, look at me here. Satta Manavna, look at me. Smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Okay, let us see here. 79, 44. Read the numbers along with me. 56, 37, 29, 85, 90. Yes? Okay. Which is the smallest number from these numbers? Which is the smallest number from these numbers? Which is the smallest? 70, 40, 50, 30, 20, 80, 90. Why? Because these all numbers are there in tenses. Tens. So, let us see tens places. Okay? Let us see first tens places. What are 79, 44, 56, 37, 29, 85, 90. And which is the smallest number from these numbers? Which is a very good 29. So 20 simply you cut like this, children. Simply you cut like this. Which is the smallest number? 29. So we should have to write here 29. First one over. Next. And which number comes after 29? Means from these numbers, which number comes after 29? From these numbers. Okay, 21. This one leave it. And let us see remaining. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? 20 after 30. So 37 is the smallest. Simply you take like this. 37. Next, 31 is also completed. 79, 44, 56, 85, 90. And which is the smallest from these numbers? Which is the smallest? Very good. 44. Okay, you can't like this. Next, 79, 56, 85, 90. So, which is the smallest from these numbers? 70, 50, 80, 90. So, which number comes first? 50. Which number comes first? 50. So, 56 is the smallest number. You count it like this. 56. Next, 79, 85, 90. And which is the smallest from these numbers? Which is the smallest? 79. 79 is smallest. So, we have to cut like this. Now, we have to write 79. Next, this one completed. These all completed. Let us see. 85 and 90. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? 85. And let us see. Which is the last one? 90. This is also biggest number. This is the biggest number. See children, once check that one. Why? Because if any numbers we forget, many numbers we missed. See here, this one also over, this one completed, this one, and last this one also completed. So now we arranged already the numbers in ascending order. Means 29, 37, 44, 56, 79, 85, 90. Yes or no? We done that one. So this is called ascending order. Did you understand, children? Okay. One more example let us see. Second question. Nineteen, 35, 40, 30, 82, 79, 36. 79, 36. Okay, first look at me here. Follow your hands. Once read these numbers, children. 19, 35, 40, 30, 82, 79, 36. Okay, and in these numbers, so first, which is the smallest number from these numbers? Which is the smallest number from these numbers? Smallest. 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 Which is a 19 is smallest. Why? Because in forward counting, 19 comes first. In forward counting means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. As scientific counting, which number comes first? 19. Which number comes first? 19. So, 19 is the smallest number. Next, 35, 40, 30, 82, 79, 36. So, in this, which is the smallest? 30. 30 is the smallest, but in 30, 35, 30, 36. In these three numbers, 3 tens only are there. 3 tens are there. Means this is 35, 30, 36. Yes? 35, 30, 36. These numbers are tens places are same. Listen carefully, children. Tens places are same. So now we have to go ones place. Understand, children? Now we have to go ones places. Means 35 ones place 5 is there. Okay? In 30 ones place 0 is there. Okay? 36 ones place 6 is there. Okay? And first, small number we want. So, in this ones place, which is the smallest? 5, 0, 6. In which is the smallest? 0. Very good. Which is the smallest? 0. So, 30. 30 is the smallest number. 30 is the smallest number. So, now we cut this 30 and we have to write here. Okay, children. Next, 30 over. Next, 35, 36. 35, 36. Two numbers are there. Okay. In this, which is the small number? 35 or 36? Very good. 35 is small number. So we have to cut like this. Okay. 35. Next. Next, 36. This is also cut. Next, 40, 82, 79. 30 is completed. So now we have to go to 40. 40, 89, 82, 79. Which is the smallest? Very good. 40 is smallest. 40. 82, 79. 82, 79. Which is smallest? Which is smallest? 79. In this number, 7 tens are there. In this number, 7 tens are there. And this number, 8 tens are there. Yes? So 70 big one, 80 big one. 80 is big one. So 79 is smallest number. So 79. Next, 82. Next is 82 final. Okay, let us read. 90, 30, 35, 36, 40, 79, 82. Okay, children. Now we arranged in ascending order. Did you complete? We arranged in ascending order. Let us see count how many numbers are there. How many we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are coming. 7 coming. So this is called ascending order. This is called ascending order. Next. Already previous class we learned only ascending order and another class we learned only descending order. So you are confused. That's why today I am explaining both. Okay? Write the numbers. Write the numbers in descending order. In descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-I-N-G. Descending order. Don't check your textbook. In your textbook not there these problems. Did you understand, children? In your textbook not there. First question. 88, 77, 44, 55, 99, next 66. 99, 66. Okay, let us see, children. 88, 44, 77, 55, 99, 66. Now here we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. But what is mean by descending order? It means we should arrange the numbers biggest number to smallest number. Biggest number to smallest number. So first, which number we have to write? First, we have to write biggest number. In descending order, it will come first biggest number. Okay? First it will come biggest number. So answer. See? 88, 44, 77, 55, 99, 66. And here tens are different. This is the 80, this is the 40th number, this is the 70, this is the 50, 90, 60. So here not confusing. Why? Because different tens places are there. So Now we have to see only tens place. Okay, children. So in this number, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? 99 is biggest number. Yes or no? 99 is biggest number. So simply we got this number 99. Now we have to write here 99. Okay? Next. And which number it comes? After 99. After 99 means don't take after number. 99 after 100. So here answer is 100. Yes? No, don't write like that. Always we have observing the question and we are taking from these numbers only. Okay, children? Always we are taking from these numbers or given numbers. Okay? These numbers are given numbers. Okay, 99 over. Next. And which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 88. Very good. Which is the biggest number? 88. So we cut 88. Okay? Two numbers are over. Next. 44, 77, 55, 66. And which is the biggest number? 77. Which is the biggest number? 77. So simply we cut this 77 and write here. Next. 55, 66. Which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? 66. Next. 55, 44. In these two numbers, which is the biggest? Which is the biggest? 55. So cut this number and write here. Last one is 44. Now let us check it. 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 44. It means we should arrange numbers biggest to smallest. Yes or no? Biggest to smallest. So it is called descending order. What is it, children? Descending order. Next, second question. $29, 80. I will send the big children. 40, 32, 78, 56. First you are understanding, then you should write. Okay? And which is your biggest number? Which is biggest number from these numbers? Which is biggest? 80. Very good. 80 is biggest number. 80. Next. 29, 40, 32, 78, 56. Which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest? 78. 78. Next. 29, 40, 32, 56. Which is the biggest? Which is the biggest? 56. Next. 29, 40, 32. Which is the biggest number from these numbers? 40. So we cut this one. Next. 29, 32. Which number comes first? Means which number is big number? 29, 32. Which is the biggest number? 32. Very good. Last one, 29. See children, if you're not writing this, don't worry, I will send the pic. Okay children, I will send the pic. Okay, and I will give homework also, textual order, other examples given. You will don't confuse and you will do those problems only. Okay children, which problems I will send, you will do to those problems only. Okay now? See, write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Okay children, homework also I will send a pic in second class group. Okay? Thank you.